Okay, we've mentioned in passing working with radicals. Now we're actually going to work with radicals that may or may not be second degree or square roots. So the principal nth root of a real number, if n is greater than 2, is an integer symbolized by the nth root of a. It's defined as the nth root of a equals b, which means that a equals b to the n. So cubed root of a would be, of 8 would be cubed root of 2 cubed, which is 2. Cubed root of negative 64 would be cubed root of negative 4 cubed, or negative 4. Fourth root of 1 over 16 is the fourth root of 1/2 to the fourth, or 1/2. Sixth root of negative 2 to the sixth is the absolute value of negative 2, which is 2. And we do that because we want the principal root, which is positive. So if n is an integer and a is a real number, the nth root of a to the n is a if n is odd, and absolute a if n is even. So let's work out these problems. So the cubed root of, well, 27, can that be written as the cube of some number? Well, if we think about it, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. So 27 is 3 to the third, so the cubed root of 3 to the third is 3. Fifth root of 16, well, that's not a whole number. We can't work it out, but what we can do is use the calculator. So to use the calculator, we want the fifth root, we're going to go to the math menu. Well, and they have an xth root of a number. Well, what we have to do first is put in the root, which is 5, then go to math and go down to this xth root. And enter 16. You don't need that parenthesis. So the fifth root of 16 is 1.7411. We're going to do the same thing for the cubed root of 4. We have a cubed root. We go down to math. We hit math, and we go down to the nth root, or xth root. Hit enter, and then put in 4. We have 1.5874.